ActivInspire's desktop Annotate tool provides you seamless interaction with existing resources, websites, and more. The option to access desktop Annotate may appear in your dashboard upon opening ActivInspire. Annotate over desktop. You can also access desktop Annotate from your main toolbar. When in desktop Annotate mode, ActivInspire automatically minimizes, leaving you with your page browser, main toolbar, and trash can. Feel free to move or close your page browser or trash can for more space. You will want to keep your main toolbar open to access annotation tools. Let's say I want to walk my students through the process of registering for a free ClassFlow account. Note that this is not a static image and I am able to interact with this site. I'll use my pen tool to indicate where my students should click. Changing back to the Select tool allows me to click on that Sign Up as Student button. Once I click on that button to take students to the next step, my annotations stay in place. No worries, I can use my eraser tool to erase them, or I can always use my clear tool and clear annotations. From here I can use my highlighter tool to indicate specific fields, or even indicate fields students don't need to complete. Exit desktop annotate mode anytime by clicking the icon on your main toolbar.